Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Various acclamation to Allah and praise be upon Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My best wishes and congratulations to all those teachers, students, and other people present in this event organized by the well-known institution Real Concept International Institute, Madrasa School and College. Today I want to discuss about one of the most important topics, that is about knowledge. Dear listeners, knowledge is Allah's gifted preconscious aspect. It is the knowledge that helps us differentiate between human and animal. Knowledge is a bit of everything that helps you differentiate between good and evil and prevent us from take wrong deeds and take the right decision. It protects our logical, imaginational, environmental conception as well as overcome our weakness, fault and dangerous situation in human life. In addition, a person with knowledge is morally and mentally more powerful to lead a peaceful life in this life and hereafter. No distribution. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.